Selling books is not something you think of when you want to learn how to make money online. There's just so many variables. You need to write it, publish it, print it, ship it, and whatnot. But what if I told you that you could do none of it and still make around $10,000 a month by just making an empty journal and selling it through Amazon? So please, like this video. Let's begin. Step 1. I'm going to show you a software called BookBolt. This website is paid, but you can get a 3-day free trial. This software allows you to create these very simple types of books. For example, you can create coloring books, you can create journals, you can create diaries, you can create notebooks, puzzle books, activity books, and the list goes on. They have everything that you need from the cover to everything inside and everything else in between. And the best part about this strategy is you don't need to print any of these different types of books. You don't need to handle any shipping. You don't need to do anything. This is linked up with Kindle, which is Amazon Publishing, and they will look after everything for you. So to start, sign up to BookBolt, and it's going to bring you over to a page that looks like this. Step 2. Now we're going to research which type of journals, coloring books, and such are selling well these days, so we can make our own version of it. So come over to research, and the first thing that you want to do is to click on the cloud symbol. Once you click onto the cloud, it's going to bring you over to here, and this is where you can start searching for many different types of designs. You've also got categories where you have notebooks, journals, calendars, planners, coloring books, etc. Let's take a look at notebooks. If we scroll down, you can see that there are a lot of books with more than 500 sales per month, and most of them sell for over $5. Now imagine how much monthly revenue they can make with this. Keep in mind that Kindle is going to take a fee of a couple of dollars, but you're still making good money with this strategy. And you can create as many of these notebooks as you want, as it doesn't cost you a dime. Step 3. Now you want to find one of these different types of books that you like, so you can create your own book referencing it. And that's exactly what we're going to do in this video today. So let's say we wanted to make a notebook like this. We will open this book in Amazon for reference and come back to this page, scroll up to the top, and click on Create. Once you click on Create, you'll be taken to the BookBolt designer. Let's create the cover first. So select the cover and go to Trim Size and make sure that you select the option 6x9. For the page number, I suggest you leave it at 100 or 120, even though it goes up all the way to 240, but you don't want to do anything less than 100. Now, just click on Submit, and now you'll be at the cover creation page. BookBolt has its own set of tools where you can create the front page. You've got different colors and text that you can choose from. You can also upload a pre-made cover as an image. And I prefer this option over making a cover on BookBolt because there is a great website that will make you really compelling looking book covers for free, and that is with Canva.com. Step 4. Now once you're on Canva, go over to the search bar and type in book cover, and a new page will open. And to your left, you'll see so many templates to choose from. You can use them as ideas, as inspiration, but try not to copy the entire thing. What you can do is pick a template relating to the title of the book and change it accordingly. Maybe change the color, the text, the font, etc. You can also search for different graphics and add those in your cover image. Once you have your cover image, you can go ahead and click on to download, but make sure you select PNG. Now all you need to do is come over to BookBolt and then click to drag-drop the cover image here. You might need to resize it a bit to fit it in the corners. We're going to repeat the process for the back side of the book as well. Something to keep in mind is that both the front and the back page should have a similar color template and theme. Once we have uploaded the back cover as well, it's time to download this cover because Amazon is going to ask you if you have a cover. The uploading process is super simple and doesn't take a lot of work. Step 5. Now come back over to BookBolt to create the interior. Just click on to Interior and it's going to show us all the different types of interiors that are available on BookBolt. Or you can have a look and decide which one works best for you. It's quite dependent on what sort of notebook you're making. Like, if you're making a notebook, all you need to do is pick something that you feel that is a good fit for people to write things down to remember things. Alternatively, you can click on to Interior Pro, which is going to allow you to mix and match different types of designs. This way, you can create a more universal type of journal, notebook, etc. It's all very self-explanatory, and I'm sure you can get the hang of it. One thing to keep in mind is that you need to keep at least 100 pages inside of your notebook, no matter what your niche is. Once you're done designing your interior, scroll down and click on Download to save this in your computer as a PDF file. This is the PDF file that we are now going to upload onto Kindle Publishing. Step 6. Before we publish this book, you can look at some other features that you can utilize to make your book stand out. Firstly, we need to work on our keywords. If you look at the notebooks in Amazon, you can see in the bottom that these are all keywords that are telling Amazon when somebody searches for something to show them this particular book. So how do you do this keyword research? Well, all you need to do is come over to BookBolt and click on the keyword option. Scroll up to the top and select Search. This is where you're going to enter the same keywords as the ones on the notebook you used as inspiration. What you're looking for is keywords that give you medium competition, because no one is searching for the ones with low competition. You can also use the ones that other publishers have used on Amazon, since that worked fine for us. You can very easily select any one of these books over here to have a look at their keywords. What you're looking for is keywords with the low to medium competition score, so that more people are going to find your different types of books, whatever you're creating. Another great thing about this BookBolt is the KD Spy extension, which will tell you how well other publishers are doing, how much they're selling, etc. And the best thing is that BookBolt even has many different tutorials on how to use their software. To download this extension, just go over to BookBolt and scroll down till you see KD Spy and click on it, which will take you to the extension download page and you can download it from there. To access the tutorials, scroll up to the top and you can click on Tutorials. You'll be able to see 10, 11 videos that will take you through everything step by step so you know exactly how to do this entire process. Step 7. Once you're done with your keyword research and have your cover and the book itself ready, it's now time to publish it. To do this, come over to Kindle Direct Publishing and sign up to this platform, because this is where you're going to upload this book. It's not that difficult to upload these books. You can literally copy a lot of what your competition have done with their books. You just need to make sure that your information that you enter is 100% accurate, because they're also going to ask you for some potential tax information depending on where you are around the world. Later, they will ask you for the cover and the book itself. It's a self-explanatory process, and you'll know what to put in and when to put it in, as they will ask you for everything themselves. All you need to do is upload your files and boom, your book will be published and will be ready for consumers. And once you upload this onto Kindle Publishing, I highly recommend that you go and you repeat this process as much as you can. You can make an unlimited number of books that you can upload to Amazon in this way. And you can maybe spec into different niches, making coloring books, journals, notebooks, etc. There is an infinite amount of potential to make money with this method, and I hope you can succeed in making money this way. So there you have it, folks. If you enjoyed today's video, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Till then, peace out.